One skill all traders need when they want to trade is becoming successful in doing their own backtesting. So if you have a strategy, backtesting it is super important to become a profitable trader. So guys, why not use a system like Forex Tester Online to help you become profitable in a quicker, more effective way using analytics to show you if you're a good trader or still working on it. Guys, I'm here on my Forex Tester Online dashboard. There's a lot of awesome features that you can use to become a better trader. You can trade recommended scenarios like the COVID-19 market crash, the tariffs that Trump recently placed on China, the gold price surge, etc. You can use historical events to become more profitable by testing your strategy on them. You can even do prop challenges. So you can input the criteria of your favorite prop firm's challenge in there to test out if your strategy will be profitable and if you can pass it. You can even You can even do a blind testing mode where Forex Tester Online gives you a random chart at a random time and you can then test your skills on that chart. So Forex Tester Online has been nice enough to place my indicator into their website so that I can show you how to do backtesting on, for example, my indicator, okay, which is completely free. So if you get your own Forex Tester Online with a link in the description, it's a once-off fee for lifetime. We will send you my indicator completely for free. So it will be completely free, once off to purchase your Forex Tester Online, and you'll receive my indicator. So let me quickly show you how to create a new project and how to do backtesting on it and all the awesome features that you get on it. This is super sick. You're not going to get this easily anywhere else. It will make your trading so much more easier and profitable. So let's go create a new project. I'm going to search NASDAQ, but you can go through all the symbols that Forex Tester Online has to see if yours is there, but it most probably will be there. So I'm going to go on NASDAQ, my favorite pair to trade with in the Forex market. I'm going to say NAS test 1. I'm going to say a $10,000 deposit. That is 100% fine. It really doesn't matter, but it depends on your account size. So let's say you only have $1,000 to trade. Make sure that this is $1,000. Make it as accurate as possible for yourself. I'm going to go to a more recent time just to make it more accurate. I'm going to go to, let's say, April the 7th of April, 2025. I'm going to say, yeah, this is fine. You can change these things if you want to. The leverage of my brokers usually are 1 to 500 where I live. And I'm going to go say, create new project. Okay. So now that I have my project, I can go to play over here to go and test my indicator. So when I go play here, you'll go in here and it will load the chart for you. So I usually trade on the 15 minute. So I'm going to stick to the 15 minute. If you go to indicators, my indicators, there is my order block and fair value gap indicator. And you can upload your own indicator over here. So if you use code, you can go in here and you can literally proceed to enter your own indicator if you want to put it in there. So let's go to indicators. Once again, let's click on it and we are going to apply the indicator to the chart. Okay. So once again, you can now see, I'm going to go very lightly over the strategy. Not really going to talk about the strategy that much. There's a bunch of YouTube videos on my YouTube about my strategy, the indicator, how that works, everything like that. Remember to use your own extra confirmations, etc., etc. But let's just go based off the indicator. So guys, you need to just bear with me with the speed. It's quite difficult to just handle the speed, but you can see we can actually move the speed on a little bit quicker. So we're going to wait for the indicator to show us a trade so that we can enter it. Okay. So I'm just going to make sure that if there's something that pops up that I'm ready for it. Okay, we've got movement here. Okay, so you can even see the indicator showing the lows and the highs of a movement, which is very nice. That helps with that a lot. So we got the move to the upside, kind of a little bit bullish. And there we go, okay? So it indicated the indicator is indicating this order block fair value gap thing over here for us. And we are currently now in it. So I'm going to place my buy trade. You can see we broke this high over here. We are bullish. So I'm going to place a buy trade now. It's in this order block and fair value gap area over here. And I'm going to place buy. So that is where you then press new order. I'm going to say buy. I'm going to use, let's say, a 0.5 lot. Okay. I'm going to place a stop loss. The nice thing about Forex Test is you can place the stop loss by dragging it below the low there. And my take profit, I'm going to drag until this next fair value gap over here at the top. Okay. So you can see your risk and your risk percentage. A little bit high, 11%. You want to kind of then use a smaller lot. But I'm just using this because you'll see later why I'm using this. You can see the risk. So it's going to be $1,100 if it hits stop loss. But I'm going to place my buy order there. And then I'm going to proceed with it. And there you go. Wow, that was quick. TP hit. Okay, so it hit my TP. I'm just going to go back because it just jumped a little bit too quick for me. But you can see, let's quickly just have it on a slower speed, a little bit quicker. Okay. Let's just move a little bit quicker for you guys. I just wanted to hit TP. There we go. TP hit. Okay. So now I hit TP, but it is now in this next selling zone. Okay. So now we want to place a new order again. This is how we trade. So we need to do it accurately as per how we trade. Okay. So now I'm going to sell. Okay. I'm going to use the same lot size. Stop loss above that high over there to the left. And I'm going to put my TP, let's say, at the bottom of this low over here. So once again, you can see all the parameters over here. We're going to place the sell order and we're going to speed it up. There you go, movement down, a little bit of a consolidation, stop loss still in place. We're just going to move it a little bit quicker. Stop loss and TP still in place. We're going to see which one hits. Most important thing about trading is the fact that you want to have your TPs always bigger than your stop losses. And you want to always, I'm going to ignore this because I'm still in the sell trade. We didn't break any major low or high, as you can see on the left. So I'm just going to, I'm not going to ignore this fair value gap that formed over here. And we're going to just let it run to see if it's going to hit TP or SL. And it's going a little bit up to the entry point again. Stop loss not hit, didn't move it to break even or anything. We're going down again into Profitville. And we've got close to TP now. And we will hopefully hit TP soon. I don't want to make it too quick. Oh, it just missed TP with a like. It was so close. Okay, so this is then where you can now, technically, it missed my TP by, let's just move that down there. Technically, it missed my TP, but I can see that there's a new buy trade now. So I'm just moving my TP into that area where I want to place my new buy trade. So I'm going to place a new order because you can see broke the high here. We've got a fair value gap order block over here. I'm going to place my buy trade here. Okay. My TP will be into that fair value gap area over here. And my stop loss will be below there. So we'll place our order. Let's run it. TP hit on the previous one. Okay, remember when you trade, you will adapt like I adapted now with the fact that I saw this new order block and fair value gap that was shown by us by the indicator. So I moved my TP up into that area. It hit. I placed my buy area now. And there we've got another TP hit. So guys, 3 nice trades actually that happened over here. So now that you've placed a bunch of trades on your chart over a certain time period that you want to test, you can now go to the analytics button bottom right. You can't see it right now, it's behind my face, but there's an analytics button. I'm going to click on the analytics button. And now you can see the insights into your trading. Points to improve, try keeping your risk below 2% per trade. So I was risking too much. Okay, so now you see, okay, I need to risk less. Consider cautiously increasing position size after a winning streak. So you can, when your account grows, you can increase your lot size, etc., to make sure that you make more money, but keeping your risk at 2%. Then you can see all your strengths, what is good, your daily loss limit analysis, trading session analysis, revenge trades, you're not revenge trading, etc. There's a lot of good things as well about my trading. Even here, more behavioral traits that are good. You can see when your project was created. When you come down, you can see all your winning and losing trades. You can see how many short and long positions you took. Over here, you can see the symbols you've been trading, most often traded. You can see your net profit, gross profit, return on your account, and a lot more metrics. You can even see what days you've been trading. So this is like a calendar that shows you all your TPs and losses. Okay, this is awesome data to see. When you go to the X button, there are definitely a lot of things that you can also go through. You can go through their own indicators, things you will find on TradingView, etc., is also available for you over here. You can share your opinions over here. You can take screenshots as well. You can even leave notes for yourself on the charts so that you can see what you did wrong or did right. Okay, guys, so let's quickly go to the homepage so that you can see how it looks over here as well. When you enter the website, you can see that everything you need, plans, save up to 480 Rand, smart analytics, smart trades. You can see what you'll achieve. You'll cut your losses. You can build systems. You can achieve prop trading success. Your confidence will increase and you'll have smart insights into your trading. So complete your, this is your complete backtesting suite where you can do a lot of nice things. When you go down to the pricing, you'll see it is a lifetime pricing of the starter one and the pro one. You can have yearly plans if you are keen. You can even do a free demo for yourself if you want to first test it out. So guys, go check out Forex Tester Online. Go test your strategy. If you get a plan with a link through the description, you'll get my indicator for free to test out. But also test out other indicators. Test out your normal manual strategy as well. And guys, I will then see you guys in the next video. Let me know how your backtesting is going in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.